Long time I tell people say, good morning usual, good morning, forget the manners. But a long time I tell people say no, who can't hear you feel no. I see people them are run away from them spot and they carry people wicked enough. Yeah man, wicked to one another, love one another, wicked. I see him thinking what day my mother and I come here and I think say, yeah, social distance. And him she a yap up herself. And I say, yo, if you love your grand pitney, social distance now, you come out of public. And you come on my yard and grab up my pitney and I say, yo, social distance. Them are going to make complain now, chat, disrespect and everything. But look what happened. The country got locked down because we don't practice the thing. We don't love. We just want to say, you don't want to die alone. And that's that, you know. You don't want to die alone. But I alone is bad. But you don't want to die alone. So boom. You know you're sick. And you left your parish. You run out of your parish. Instead of you hold on and stay in your community and pray and try lock in and get better. You run with your sickness to our next man, to our next community. Say you can look for family member. Eh? And because you say you can look for family member, look what happened. Hmm? Look how things spread. You couldn't control no brother. You couldn't control all of you will take the plane come here from the beginning, no, and here couldn't go in. You understand? And bring in all the contact them with your contact and make the thing check out. Now we spread right over. You kill other people. You understand? Me talk already and I say said we out here come here everybody I say somebody else give them. As some me know say they will happen. Because them are people we people, Jamaican and a whole, don't want to die alone. I want to catch somebody with you and talk about love. And I love that brother. You understand? Because right now, I don't want my children, my children. If I sick, if me sick, I don't want my children sick. If me I go dead, I don't want my children dead with me. You understand? I not go drive my car and I want to chuck and kill my family. You understand? In a suicide, you understand? You don't want to kill out people with no man, if you take sick, you don't have to dead. But the next person we take it, we get it, can dead. You understand? And then after that, you said, how you going to feel? If you know, say, you carry sickness come pass upon the next man and you are alive and the next man dead. That's not good, brother. Westside say, stay in your corner. But we hold on the thing till the thing pass. It have to pass if we hold it down. But if we continue and move on with it, it will continue because it will take new route at all time and take longer to die out. And that happen now. So, me I say, this man me a banky upon him, and me there me yard me a banky call me. I'm go for there, go for him. See him? I see him come and rub himself on a tree and feel nice. So maybe we can get some water. But T&B I say, stay in your yard, keep your thing down, wear your mask. You understand? Sanitize your hand and wash your hand with soap. Protect other people and protect yourself. By protecting yourself, you protect the whole country. Love your country, love your people, take care of your family. Nobody can love them now because now is a disease. You go left Kingston, you go left anywhere party there and can't come out partner there. You better than that, man. I expect better than that for the island. You understand? Jamaican people, we need better from that. Can be heart and bleed again. Come on, better. You understand? Can't take it. Can't take it style of the island I deal with, you understand? Can't take it. Me can't take it. Me get confused. Kind of now hold the peace. You know, hold the order. And just that, you don't believe what go on. I mean, Jamaican people so hard to believe things, yo. Hmm? People are working at medical not to realize what happen. They not to want to believe and I did them a work and see it happen. Hmm? Yo, me prepare if my wife can't come home now. Me prepare for live so. You understand? Until she get and pray for her and make she get better. That's how me see it. And if me feel like say me sick, me I try stay away from my youth, them and my family. You understand? If me die, me must die alone. You understand? Me can't carry on one with me. So me I talk about peace and love and me I say one love. And that me still I say every day. You can't push that across the board. One love mean you see love. Love is not just a word for talking about an action word. And no for we no practice action. Because we love people who want to kill them too. You understand? You can't love people and kill people. You can't love your brother and kill him and destroy him. You can't love your sister and destroy him. You can't love your youth and curse him and destroy him neither. See? So me I say love have a whole heap of package on it. And love come with a whole heap of action. Action word. You think love is something you talk. You understand? You just chat love because you feel like you want to chat it. You understand? So my heart a bleed again, me tell you, T&B heart a bleed and me a talk up to the eye them. Me I say, yo, do better than that. Don't try killing somebody with your Jamaica. Me we purge the country. Cause you know have it dead now. But the next man we are carry down dead. You understand? So that me want you to know that. See? My heart a bleed, man. My heart a bleed. And it's when I have a corona. You know what I mean? Yo, go better than that. Me still have some man. Obey the Lana, man. Me grieve. See how Banky grieve. See it, Banky grieve. Banky, you grieve, Banky? Banky, you grieve, my brother? Yeah, man, me love my animal, them everywhere around me. You understand? And them I tell Banky how Banky get mad. Yeah. So, T&B say peace until then, and I say keep it order and keep it in his zone. And don't spread it and make it spread over the whole of the country. Because we don't hold it, you know. We just die out easy, man. You know, just hold the peace, brother. My heart a bleed. My heart a bleed. Yeah, man, keep it level. T&B says out. Peace until then.